Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the part 2 of updating and populating rows column data to combo box and text boxes. This is the continuation of the project. Part 1 are in the description below. I will not explain all the codes but some part, because I already explained all the codes on the previous video. Please understand the code and function of the codes. If you're new in this channel, again, part 1 are in the description below. This is our class and we will use it for this project. We have this connection to our database 1. The function of this code is to SQL command to execute the reader and read it. This code will be used in populating the student ID and combo box. This is how we implement it to our form. As you can see, SQL reader value became the method function of ID list. Let's run it. And now for populating it to the text boxes in combo box. Also, SQL reader value became the method function of show data with the parameters of query selection. This is the method function of show data in the class. Now let's run it. We have an error that the connection was not closed, so we need to close the first connection like this. So the first connection is the ID list method. If we close connection inside of the ID list method, this will happen. We will have an error of reader was closed, so it cannot read the reader. You might think, so we should close the connection inside a form? No, it also caused an error that the reader read is empty, so the solution for this is to close it inside of the showData method and open the connection again when the method execution. So the function of the method is to close the first connection and open the connection again to use it in second time, then reader will read the SQL command execution. This will be the output of the code. And now for the update. This is the function of the method. It has a parameters to return the values to the selected command and method name is register update. Now let's run it. So we have encountered same error, says that connect was not closed, so we need to close the connection of the second connection in the method ID show data. Then open it again and execute the reader. Let's run it. Sorry, I inputted wrong table. Our table name is student info. Always remember that If we use the connection, we have to open it and close, so that we can execute the connection multiple times. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out.